Hello everyone. Yesterday we discussed about growth of charge in LCR circuit. It's half part. Today we will discuss about next part of it. Without wasting any time, let's begin. Find the value of A and B for A and B for these use initial conditions. What are the initial condition? That is when time t is equal to 0, that is when is no charge flowing in the circuit, therefore q was is equal to 0. Final, then if you make these changes into the equation 5, that is this equation, that the left hand side this q will be 0, 0 equal to q 0 plus time when time t is equal to 0 means that this is the equation is a close to 0, then e power 0 become 1, therefore this pen gives only a, here also this t is equal to 0, therefore this will be e power 0, then that is equal to 1, which means here you will have b, that is the right hand side, the q naught is there, plus this is a plus b, or I will write a plus b is equal to minus q0. This is equation number 6. Now we cannot do anything with this single equation 6. Next we will differentiate this equation 5 with respect to t. Again I will substitute the initial conditions, that is at time t is equal to 0. The rate of law of charge that was 0. Find then if I differentiate this equation, of 5 with respect to t, and substitute t is equal to 0, I will obtain an equation for A and B. Fine, let's do that. One, that is dq by dt is broadcast A into of this time will be 0, will be minus b plus is bracket root b square minus k square into differential equation to e power t, that is e power minus b plus root of b square minus k square into d. Second time differentiation, b into differentiations of this quantity, that is minus of root of b square minus k square into e power minus b minus root of b square minus k square into b. B symbol differentiation. Now you apply the initial condition. Our initial condition was at that time t is equal to 0, 0 d by dt is equal to 0. Apply these initial conditions. Let us check what is the result, that is left hand side of this expression will be 0, 0 is equal to when time t is equal to 0, this will be 1, this will be 1, then we are left with this a into minus b plus root of b square minus k square plus b into minus b minus of b square minus k square. If I open the bracket, this will be minus ab, then plus into root of b square minus k square, this will be minus b minus bb minus b into root of b square minus k square. From these two terms, if I take the minus b outside, then this will be a plus b, and from these two terms if I take the b square minus k square outside of b square minus k square, and I have a minus b reference equal to 0. Next I bring this time up to left side, then this will be b into a plus b is equal to root of the b square minus k square into a minus b, or if I rearrange is the time, this will be b square minus k square into a minus b is equal to b into f plus b, a plus b. This is equation number 7. I put now what is the value of this plus b. If you go back, there is equation 6. This one of air plus b is nothing but this minus q0, if it is the this nothing but minus q0. Therefore again I can write this v square minus k square into a minus b is equal to minus b q0, or this a minus b is equal to minus q0 b divided by, bring this one to left right side, that is root of square minus k square. I put this equation number 8. Now you have to concentrate on these two equations, because this one, and if you go back equation number 6, this air plus b is equal to minus q0, then connect, write these two equations together to find out the value of b. Then if IR direction 6 plus 8, adding 6 plus 8, then this will be 2a equal to 2a. Oh, I missed minus sign. Now if I go back to this equation 6, here you have a minus sign here, therefore that I missed here, right, this is a minus q0, then I take a minus q0 outside, and we are left with 1 plus by b by root of b square minus k square. A is equal to minus 1 by 2 q0 into 1 plus b by root of b square minus k square. In equation number 9. The similar way, if you subtract these equations 8 and equation 6, you will get the value of b, that I will not do here. Then by looking into the expression of the a, you can write these expressions of b will be 1 minus b by 2 q naught. And we will see the next part of tomorrow video lecture.